Hi guys, welcome to How to Sort YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make photo dump on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and search here CapCut, and you must need to download this application. I already download this. Then you need to click on Open. Once you open that website, then you need to click on New Project, and then you need to select random photos. So I am going to select the random photos with which I'm going to use this effect. Then you need to click on add, and then you need to adjust the duration of these photos. But first you need to add the audio. So I'm going to add a sample audio from here, and then you need to adjust your photos according to the music like I'm doing. And with the help of this, you can easily create a video, and after that you need to click on export. And once your video is ready, you can export that video and upload that video on TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily do photo dump on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.